All right, to access this climate control panel down here, we're gonna have to remove this trim, which real easy. Get that up and out of the way. And then we're gonna have to peel this back on both sides. Let me see if these are all the same size. Yeah, okay, they're all gonna be 7mm bolts, like bolt heads like that. So like I said, just peel this down. Okay. Okay, actually, it's saying to go ahead and remove the bolts first up front, so we'll go ahead and pop those out, one on each side. Film as best I can in here. Not a lot of room. Not a lot of surfaces to set the camera up on. There we go. Okay. Oh, this definitely looks like it's in front of here. Okay, so that should come free. All right. I don't need to remove the screen. I'm not going to be replacing that. All right, there's for the control unit. Sorry, there's not a single video online for this, so I had to actually buy some. So, okay. So, yes, now we move on to removing these, which, no matter which order you did that in. Here we go. There we go. Where are they at here? It says there's 2 of them. Okay, we're gonna get those bad boys right there. All right, so what I found out was they sold me one for a 2013. So you don't have to remove these even side pieces. Leave those on. All you do is just take off the top, take off all the 7mm bolts. Stereo just pulls up and out, and then once you get down to this point, these pieces are separated. See? So yes, we're just gonna have to, I'm just gonna have to pry all this out and get back to you from there. All right, so as I was saying, yeah, these 2 pieces separate once you get them out. What I took was just a flathead to separate this piece from behind here. So just pop it out. And there is just one connector on the back. As you tell how everything is all brown and crusty, that's why we're here, is because somebody poured coffee in everything. So we're going to be replacing the climate control panel. So I'll get that connector off. So here we go. We got the old dirty crusty one. Now that clip back here is an extreme pain to get to. My fingers feel like they're bleeding, but that's all it is. It's really, there's no push tab on them. You just got to shove like the smallest screwdriver you can to push down on that little tab right there. So I'll get the new one put in, and hopefully that fixes our problem. All right, so moment of truth. Let's auto scan it. We're getting lights, so that's good. So let's see here. Fans on high, working good. All right. Defrost. It's got lights. All right. AC on. Probably doesn't even have AC, but change it up to here. Just go to the feet. All right, seems to be working good. Perfect. All right. So anyways, that's how you replace the climate control panel. And like I said, if you need to replace anything like this, like the screen, like I said, this is a good way. But yeah, like I said, don't even bother peeling off these. Yeah, they sold me one for, I guess that's a 2013 model. You'll remove this to take off. There's 2 clips and 2 7mm bolt heads. This one, you just gotta take out the stereo. It's gonna be stuck right here on this little lip, but I just stuck a flathead. You lift it, pull out, just enough to give you enough room to finagle these a little bit more. So hope this video helped some of you guys out. See if I can, anybody wants to follow through here. I can't really, I don't know. Anyways, it's gonna take me a long time to pull up the original code and through the code history, but essentially all it was said the climate control panel or the HVAC panel could not communicate with it. So anyways, now you see that it's fixed. So thanks for watching.